I want to talk about Kinder's Woodfired garlic seasoning and Montreal chicken seasoning from McCormick. These are two of my favorite seasonings that I use on poultry. I've got some thighs right there, boneless, skinless thighs I'm doing up. I've used both of these on poultry. I've used them on pork. I've even used them on seafood before and gotten great results with both of them. Now, which one do I like more? That's tough. The profiles are a little bit different. For the Kinders, it's like it says, kind of like a smoky flavor, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of smoke, kind of like you've been cooking over a wood fire. With the Montreal chicken, it's a little bit different. Don't try to compare it to the Montreal steak. The Montreal steak seasoning is definitely more salt and black pepper forward. This one is a little bit more subtle, a little bit more herbal, a little bit of zest to it, but still amazing flavor. And my cooking process, pretty easy. I put a binder on, a little olive oil. I'll season them up, put them in the oven about 350 for about 40 minutes, and give them just a minute or two to cool down, and you're ready to go. Just plate them up and enjoy. So which one would you like better? It's really going to depend on what flavor profile you like, but I think either way, you'll find great uses for either one of these. If you'd like to try one of these for yourself, please click on the link in the description below.